All right, guys, here is the walk around video for the 1985 Mercedes 300 SD. It was purchased out of Gainesville, Florida. It was from a wealthy investment banker. He had around 20 diesel Mercedes, and he actually had a mechanic that he employed on staff to take care of all his vehicles. Guy was a pretty big enthusiast. So I'm just going to go down the list of everything that I've done on the car. It comes with the original Becker radio, and I sent that off to Becker, had them go through it and restore it. Restored the Hirschman antenna, put a new antenna grommet on there. Let's see, new ball joints, new Bilstein shocks, new sway bar end links, new diesel return lines, new mono valve, new engine mounts, new transmission vacuum modulator. That's what helps the transmission shift smooth and correctly. Put a new in-tank fuel filter, cleaned the fuel sending unit, did a valve adjustment, which you guys saw in the last video, cleaned the turbo overboost vacuum line, adjusted the ALDA or ALDA, gave it a little more fuel, changed oil and filter, flushed transmission fluid, did a new pan gasket, changed the rear differential fluid or rear differential oil, converted the AC to R134, lubricated the window regulator and tracks, lubricated door straps, and lubricated the sunroof tracks. So that's everything that was done to the car. Everything works perfect. Car rides awesome. Let's take a look inside. Well, first let's go around like the chrome. You guys can see that. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not all scratched and stained and pitted. Looks very good. The gaskets around the windows are in excellent condition. Show you the original window. Still has the Mercedes sticker. Let's go around and look at the rubber grommets, our rubber door seals. Still in excellent condition and malleable. No rips or tears. And you guys have seen the interior. Sorry, my shadow is right in the video. Whatever, I think you guys will get the point. It's very tough because I'm in direct sunlight. But you guys, I think, have seen the interior of this car in the previous video. It is a beautiful leather interior. Car has, let's see, 114,890 miles on it. Headliner, outstanding condition. Oh, look at the dash. Absolutely immaculate. Not a single issue on the dash. Wood grain, again, there's my shadow, sorry. Wood grain trim around the car is excellent. Let's go ahead and get in here. Now here's a spot right here. Oh, okay, so it comes with this aftermarket radio. Now I left that in there. Here's the original that I had restored. You can see it was restored 9/15/2021 at Becker. So that comes with the car. You're welcome to put it back in there if you want to, but this system sounded really good, so I left it in there. It was done well. Going back through the wood trim, there is, you can see some mild cracking here. That's the original piece though. I don't want to take it out of there. See the sun visors. Let's check them out. Okay, I just put the key in so we could look at the sunroof. That's been lubricated. Opens and shuts perfectly. Of course, the door is open right now, but the light works perfectly. All the dash lights work, all the lights at nighttime, all this lights up. I replaced the glove box light. There's some original, looks like original manuals and some other stuff that he had in the car. Yeah, Mercedes manual. All the seat controls work. Let's go ahead and look at the windows. All the windows have been lubricated. All the windows work. Now the car's not cranked, so that's a little slower than normal. Let me go ahead and fire it up here. Let's go ahead and check the back windows. You can see all the windows work. We'll go ahead and look at this one. Yep, you get the idea. Normally on these cars, the vinyl is always peeled back and coming apart around the seat belt. You'll notice on this car, it is not. It's very tight around here. Let's go into the back seat. Oh, the AC, I forgot to show that. It's ice cold. Had that converted. Okay, you can hear it blowing ice cold. The heater also works great because I changed the mono valve. Let's put that back on manual. Climate control works. See the light in the back of the car. That comes on correctly. Whoops, sorry, my finger just got over there. Let's turn that back off. Let's go look at the antenna. So, I think I actually have to turn on the radio. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and turn that on. All right, the radio is on, and we get the antenna. That's a brand new mast and Hirschman antenna unit, so that works flawlessly. Let's go around and look in the trunk here. Oh, they did this very tastefully. See how they put the 6x9 speakers in the rear package tray? I think that looks really good. Also, you know, there's the first aid kit. And let me turn off the radio so I can talk. Let's see, I think I eject it like that. We'll put that guy down here. Let's turn the car off. All right, again, sorry for the shadows, but you can see the back seat is flawless. The nets, they're not all ragged out and stretched out. The carpet, outstanding condition. This is just a beautiful car, extremely well cared for. Door panels, sorry for the shadow, excellent condition. The rubber around the see the rubber around the window, there's no cracks or tears in it. Let's go around to the other side and put the sun behind us. There we go. There's no sun over here. It's behind. It's on the other side of me. Look at the chrome. Excellent condition. Look at the driver's seat here. No rips, tears. This is a good car, you guys. Again, sorry for the sun reflection, but it's the best I can do today. Should start recording these in the evening when the sun's not out so you don't get the shadowing. See, very unprofessional, but I'm sure you guys won't mind. Let's go ahead and look in. Oh, it came with a car cover because when I went to pick it up, he had it under a car cover. I hate car covers, but anyway, there's a car cover if you want it. Let's look under here. Oh, the trunk, excellent condition. Carpet is in excellent condition. No issues back here. Let's look at the spare tire. Oh man, that's a beautiful spare. I doubt that's ever been out of the car. There's the first aid kit. There's the jack. God, does that have the original? No, that has another tire on it. Nice looking spare. Trunk deck lid. The light still works up here. See, there's no cracks in any of the lenses. Bumper is in fantastic shape. Let's go look up here. The headlight bezels on these cars are notorious for having, you know, cracks in them. So there you go. Headlight bezels are nice. The grille, there's my fingerprints all over it. Chrome is in excellent condition. Bumper, I did see there's a little mark on the bumper right there. Not a big deal. Anyway, there you go, guys. This is a good one. Beautiful 1985 300 SD. Contact me at woodsandbarclay.com. Email john@woodsandbarclay.com or give me a call, 404-200-3942. Thanks a lot. You saw a driving video in the last video I posted, but I'll just record driving back to the shop. Just some normal driving. I was doing like 0 to 60 times in the last video, but I just want to show you how smooth this is. With the ALTA adjustment and the vacuum module on the transmission replaced, this is an extremely smooth transmission. You know, some of these cars feel like they shift with a shift kit. You know, it bangs into gear. And Mercedes definitely have firm shifting, but it's not supposed to bang into gear like that. Normal acceleration. See how smooth that shift was? AC is on. See how smooth that was? You can barely feel the shifts. This car has a very, very smooth shifting. Some of them aren't like that. All right, let's go ahead and turn onto my street here. Let's accelerate uphill. Plenty of power. Car runs great. All right, back here to the shop, and she's just going back into the garage. Here's my daily driver. Just sold this guy. That's a 95 E300. That was a beautiful, beautiful example. It's hard to find those. There's another awesome coupe I have coming up. Let's go ahead and go back in here. All right, guys. Let me know if you're interested. See y'all later.